It is the level 2 trigonometry questions. It is not very difficult to do so. We need to remember and catch our memory for this equation. Cosine square x plus sine square x equals to 1. We use this uh, formula to help us finish this calculation. Firstly, we can copy the question first. We have this one. Then we multiply 4 first. We have 4 sine x and then 4 cosine square x equals to 1. And then we copy this first. And here we use 1 minus sine square x equals to 1. And by the formula 1 here. And then we remove the blanket. We have this one, and equals to 1. So that for the next step we have this one, sine square x plus 4 sine x and then plus 3, because we put the 1 on the left hand side and both sides we minus 1, so that on the right hand side we have the 0. And then for the whole uh, whole calculation we multiply -1, because we don't like the first term is negative, so that we can have this one. We use the simple method to um, we can write the form like this, so that we have 2 sine x minus 3 and then 2 sine x plus 1, because 2 2 and 3 1, this it is multiply method. This is 2 and this is -6 plus is equals to -4, so this one it is this one, so that we can have this one. First the answer is 2 sine x minus 3 equals to 0, or 2 sine x plus 1 equals to 0. For this one we have this equals to 3/2. This is rejected because sine x is within -1 to 1, and this is 1.5, so out of the range. And second, we have sine x equals to -1/2, and for this we have the reference angle. We know that here ASTC, when it is negative, so we focus on the range here. So firstly, the first answer, we know that it is the sine x is -30. So for the first answer, x is equals to 180 plus 30. It is 210. And for the second answer, it is x equals to 360 minus 30. It is 330. So that at last we have the answer. It is 230 or 300, 210 and 330. It is the answer for these questions.